Good morning, beta. Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Ridyansh, Anjali, beta, you have joined wrong link. This is class 3. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Children, I just saw your science activity today. What did you do? Healthy food and junk food.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Very nice. So, what all did you collect?
Ma'am, the healthy food and junk food. Collect some vegetables, fruits, and ma'am, some junk food.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Today, here now in this class, let us do something very interesting today. Okay. So what you have
Ma'am,
to
good
do?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Let other students also join, and then I'm going to tell you what you have to do. Who is this? Who is this student? Galaxy 5, Galaxy J5.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Nandini. Nandini, are you attending this class for the first time? I'm seeing you for the first time.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Wait,
Ma'am,
let
it's
Nandini speak. Let
good
Nandini.
morning, ma'am.
I'm talking to
Because
Nandini. Yes.
that time my phone has,
What happened, Nandini?
because that time my phone has a problem.
Okay, so you were not attending.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, never mind. Now, Anjali, this is your comprehension class, and we are not following any book right now. For the comprehension, I just give you activities like that to do. Something, some little work you have to do. Now, in today's class, your activity is show and tell. Show and tell. Now, what are you going to show? Just think of something very favorite, your favorite thing at your place. Okay, in your house, whatever you want to speak on. Of course, you'll be having something that you find very nice, very good, and something that is very dear to you, very close to you. You are very, very attached to something. Maybe it is a toy, maybe it's a
Ma'am,
book.
what we have to do?
That is what I'm telling, beta. Listen to me. Today's class is about show and tell. You have to think of something, think of your favorite thing at your home, something that you are really attached to. Maybe it is a book, maybe it is a toy, maybe it is a flower vase, maybe it is your pet animal, anything that you would like to tell others that this is my favorite thing. You can share
Ma'am,
that. I'm giving you
can
2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes to think about what you are going to speak on. And then you have to speak
Ma'am,
on
can
it
you
for
send
2
the
minutes.
topic in chat box? I only have one word.
What, Rishika?
Ma'am, you have to write one word of what my favorite thing is.
Rishika, do you use a mic while speaking?
No,
Then why does your voice echo?
I don't know.
Okay, Rishika, what are you saying, beta? Type in the chat box because I'm not being able to understand what you are saying. Children, the activity name is show and tell. I have typed in the chat box. Now hurry up and take think of something good, and if you are not being able to think it yourself, then ask any of your parents at home that what you should speak on. Get some very good idea and start speaking on something. Akshada, what on your, yes. Oh, no, beta. Show and tell. I'm talking about something, not your favorite person. Okay? Don't include any person in that. Okay. Rishika is saying I will just say a poem about it. Poem about what? Poem about what, Rishika? Mokshit, have you thought of something? What you're going to speak on?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Stuti, have you thought of something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. My favorite thing in my house. Rishika has thought of something very nice. Very good. She's going to speak on her favorite thing in her house. Okay. Has anybody, Jatharth, have you thought of something? What you're going to speak on? No. Ansh Patel, Arsalan, have you thought? Akshada, have you thought?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ayush Patel thought about it.
Very nice, Ansh Patel. Wonderful. You have thought of something.
Ma'am, I also.
Who?
Ma'am, I also.
Akshada also. Very good. Very nice. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Tuti.
ma'am, I also.
Good.
आप लोगों को ये बताना है कि हमारी फेवरेट थिंग कौन सी है हाउस में.
Yes. Suppose your favorite thing is a toy, maybe a teddy bear. Now you have to take that teddy bear in your hand, show it to everybody in the class around, show it to me, and you have to tell that this is my favorite thing. Why it is, why, what do you call that thing? What it does for you? How much time do you spend with that thing? Or how it is helpful to you? Anything. So the activity is show and tell. You have to show it to us. You have to show it to all of us what it is and tell about it. Fine? So who will come first? Let's see. Okay. Okay, today let's start it with Ansh Patel. Everybody mute yourself, children. And Ansh Patel, come close to the camera and show it to us what it is.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, but it is the pet dog.
It is your pet dog. So can't you show it to us, Ansh Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up, go and get it. Let us see your pet dog.
Ma'am, can I am also.
You will also speak on your pet dog.
No, ma'am.
Then-
Ma'am, can we
Beta, while Rishav is talking to me, who else tried to speak in between? I always tell you, let one child finish. Yes, Rishav, continue.
Ma'am, we can introduce that the word when the mother give me a birthday gift when
Yes,
we have.
yes. Of course, you can share that.
And he is not here this time.
Okay. Now, Manika Gangwar wants to say something. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, see one dog.
Could anybody understand what she said?
No, ma'am.
Beta Manika,
No,
say it
ma'am.
once again.
Ma'am, I see a one dog.
Type in the chat box, beta. Let's not waste time. Let's not waste time and get started with Ansh Patel. If you want to say something, say it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box, children. Now let's begin the class. Already 10 minutes are gone. Is that fine? Ansh Patel, beta start. Ansh Patel, you want to start or shall I tell some other student?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, can we also say about a toy car?
Toy car, yes, you can say, but you have to show it to us now. The game is show and tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the small toy car. It is from company Skoda, and this also this is of blue color. It also has sunroof, and its two gate can open also.
Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Very good. So Ansh
Ma'am,
Patel
can I
has
tell?
got his car that he finds is his favorite. Okay, next. Let's
Ma'am,
have Rishabh
Now
Kumar.
can I tell after it?
Rishabh
okay,
Kumar.
ma'am.
Beta, I'll one by one call out your name. Please don't waste time. Okay, so that everybody
In
gets a turn. Nobody will speak in between. Rishabh.
in my birthday, my mother gave this teddy bear.
Wow. Lovely.
I like teddy bear. It is yellow. It is yellow in color,
Okay.
and there was also a ribbon, and it dress is so look nice. When I have some time, so I play with my brother and with teddy bear also.
Okay, very nice. So, Rishabh's favorite thing is his teddy bear gifted by his mother on his birthday. Amazing. Next, Rishika, let's have a poem from you now.
I'm writing my favorite place in the house of in poem. I'm writing about my favorite place in my house.
Okay, beta, your favorite place. What is your favorite place?
But I'll show you my toy. We have to write in our notebook.
Nothing.
I
You
want
don't have to write anything.
to tell three things.
Okay, start.
First, this is my plushie. I don't like to call her plushie. She doesn't really have a good name, but her name is Star.
Okay,
She,
what a
I have
beautiful star it
I
is.
have got her from the shop in the back of Kanpur. Mm, I play with. She is from Star School. She is a special star to me.
Okay, very nice. What a beautiful star it was. Next, let's have.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Virat Rajani. Virat Rajani is holding a gun in his hand. Let's see what he has to say about the gun.
I like guns. This is my favorite gun. It's a pistol gun. I want to become a soldier, so I play with the gun. I like it very much. Thank you.
Very nice, Peter. Very good. Okay, Panchul Mishra is holding something very interesting. Let's have Panchul Mishra now.
Ma'am, this is a Rubik's Cube and
Yes.
I can solve one face of it but not the whole because I have not learned yet too much to solve this.
Very nice, Panchul. Very nice. So,
Ma'am, you can tell me any color to solve.
okay, so you're going to show your talent to us. Okay, in how many seconds are you going to do that, Panchul?
Ma'am, less than a minute I think.
Less than a minute. Okay. So your time starts now and show me all the colors. I'll tell you which color you have to do. You have to make blue color for us. Your time starts now. Very good. Who else in the class can solve this cube? Anybody else?
I can solve half of the cube. One side color half.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I've done.
Good, amazing, Panchul. You did not even take half minute. Wonderful, wonderful. But Panchul,
Ma'am,
Now, soon you have to learn to solve it out whole. You have to solve out the whole cube. You have to learn it soon. Where are you going to learn it from? You will learn it from YouTube. You will learn it yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Very nice. Now
Ma'am,
let's
can I do poems?
wait, beta. Rishika, one by one, let everybody get their turn. Okay, Mokshit Mishra is also holding something interesting in his hand. Let me see what it is.
Ma'am, it is a dancing robot.
Oh, wow. Can you make us dance for us, Mokshit? Can you make it dance
No,
for
ma'am.
us?
No, ma'am, it has not. It has no cell now.
Oh, the battery is gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just speak about it.
It is my dancing robot. It is white and blue in color, and it dances very good. And thank you.
All right. So only because it dances, it is your favorite thing?
Yes,
Mokshit, does
ma'am.
it do anything for you? Does it help you out in any way?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your favorite thing. It's just a toy that you play with. Very nice. Okay, Yashmit Mishra is having so many things before him. Yashmit Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. What do you have in your hand? What do you want to tell about?
These are my favorite construction vehicles.
Wow. Very nice.
There are 5 vehicles,
Okay, amazing.
and they help in construction, and I play with them. These are my favorite. And there are a cement mixer, a JCB, a lifter, a road roller, a fire brigade.
Very nice, Yashmit Mishra. So you are very much interested in this construction line, huh? You want to become an architect?
No, ma'am.
Then what do you want to become? Engineer.
Yeah, yeah. No, I want to become a IFS.
IFS. What is that? Can you please tell it to all of us?
Ma'am, I think it is police. Foreign service.
Once again.
So I know what it means. Foreign service. Ma'am,
Why are so many children unmuted when just one child is speaking?
I know what ISS means.
Okay, what does it mean?
International Space Station.
International
Space Station.
Face Station.
I will write it down in chat. The full form is Indian Foreign Service.
Indian Foreign Service. Very nice.
That's a different one.
Yes, the Indian Foreign Service. It is related to some Central Civil Services. Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell my 2 poems now?
Okay, let us have now Jaskaran Singh. Jaskaran Singh is holding a globe in his hand. Wow, Jaskaran, what do you have to speak about it?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaskana Singh Taneja, and today I will tell about my 2 favorite things. My 2 favorite things are globe and my one eye binocular. This is my globe, and it have it have so many cities, big cities, and it tells about so many countries.
Very nice. Very good.
This is my one eye binocular. I can see moon properly, but it not go so far. But I can see dark spot in moon.
Oh, very nice. Very good, Jaskaran. Good boy.
Poems now. I'm now can I sorry, Tyagi.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Shaurya Tyagi is raising his hand from a very long time. Yes, Shaurya, speak.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sorry Terry, and today I am going to do project on show and tell. I will show my 8047 toy gun and tell about it. So this is my 8047. Now I will tell about it. It is this is a toy gun and it helped the armies to to it helped the armies to shoot at their target. This is the best gun in the army force.
Oh, really? Is it? Is it the
Yes,
best
ma'am.
of the kind? Very nice. Very good.
Yes,
Okay, good.
now can I Ashri Agarwal?
Okay, Ashray. Tell.
I Jagat Singh? Ma'am, I love. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashra Agarwal. I am a student of class 3rd B. My hobby is to do painting.
Wow, Ashray, this is amazing. Have you drawn it yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
You have colored it or just drawn it?
Ma'am, it is colored.
Okay, you do coloring. What color it is, Ashray?
White also.
What color is it? Sketch pen or watercolor?
Ma'am, it's a
It's a
watercolor.
watercolor. So beautiful, so neat. So tell us little about your watercolors. Since you are so fond of your colors.
After my class, I go in sunlight and I do painting. Thank you.
Very nice, very good. Okay, Anmol Singh is having something. What is he's holding a Beyblade?
No, ma'am, this is the one chakai, and this is moving from this. Can I show you?
So beta, it's a Beyblade only. What do you call it in English? It's a Beyblade. It's like a top, it spins, right?
Okay, ma'am.
It spins, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wow.
Ma'am, I
That's
have
wonderful.
Ma'am, can I tell my 2 poems?
Wait, Rishika, wait. So Anmol Singh, what do you have to say about this Beyblade of yours? Who gave it to you? Where did you got it? Where did you get it from?
Ma'am, mother and father.
Gave it to you. So can you speak 2 lines on your Beyblade?
Yes, ma'am. This is my favorite toy, and this have lights, and this is a spins, and here have sounds of music.
Very nice. Very good. So it's a musical toy, huh? Musical Beyblade. Good. Okay. Next, Akshadha Tiwari.
Ma'am, can I?
Beta, everybody will get a turn. Wait, we still have 15 more minutes. Don't worry, your turn will come.
I have a video game. Its color is pink.
Show it to
Has
us.
many
Bring it close to the camera. Okay, lovely.
It has 2 airplanes in it. It has many stickers of fishes. The background of this is black in color.
The backside of the device is black in color. Very good.
I bought this in 2019, but it is made in China. In this game, we need to put the rings in the aeroplane.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Okay, now who will come? Who will? Atharv Singh is holding something in his hand. What is it, Atharv Singh? It looks like an orange.
I like
Okay.
fresh fruit. It has vitamin C. It is very sweet. It is good for health. It is orange in color. It is a kinnu.
Very nice, beta. Very good. So you like Kinnu the best in your house, huh?
Yes,
This is your favorite thing in your house. Okay. Akhya Goyal.
it is a pottery wheel. We can spin around it with this, but I don't have these cells, so it cannot spin. And we
Okay.
can color it like this. We can color it, and we also have these to make it like this.
Very nice. Very good.
What is this?
Beta, even I am not understanding what it is. It does not have a cell. She's saying that the batteries are not there. I think it moves on the ground.
Ma'am?
It spins on the floor. Isn't it? It is
Ma'am?
something like that. Akhya?
Ma'am, it is a pottery wheel.
Pottery wheel.
Music.
Okay, it is her toy, beta.
Like a music.
All right, very good. Now who else? Who else is going to speak now? Okay, Rishika.
Can't mic have any problem.
Whose mic has got some problem?
Ma'am, Arslan Khan.
Ah,
Ma'am, it is
Arslan. Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is my favorite place in my house.
Unsha, mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Yes, Rishika, continue.
The guest house is a lovely place to film movies, but I don't go there often. You need to climb up the stairs to get there. It is above my dog and it also has a balcony with a lovely view.
It also. What is your favorite place? Are you talking about some room?
No, the guest house.
The guest house. Okay, very nice. So
It's
that's
in
your
my
favorite
house.
place, Rishika?
Yes.
Okay, why is it your favorite place? Because it has a very nice balcony with a lovely view.
And it also, and yes, it has,
Okay.
and it also looks very clean and neat. It also looks very clean and neat.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you see me?
See whom? Beta, please call out your name.
Kanav.
Kanav Mittal. Yes, I can see you. Kanav Mittal, but now your camera is closed.
Yes, ma'am, his camera is black.
Okay, Kanav, what do you have to show? Where is Kanav disappeared?
The guest house also looks neat and clean, so I also like it. So
All right,
that's
because
why
it
I
is
like
neat
it.
and clean. You like that place. Good. Kanav, do you want to tell something, beta? All right, let's come to Vamika Singh. What does Vamika have to say?
Ma'am, when I was 1 year old, my father gifted this teddy bear. Its name is Ramu Kaka, and it have one ribbon and one cap and one hat in her hand.
Very nice. So, beta, why is your teddy's name Ramu Kaka? Why have you named it Ramu Kaka? Tell me. It is such a lovely teddy. Was there any reason that you named it Ramu Kaka?
No, ma'am.
No, okay, fine, beta. All right, then who else is going to tell now?
Ma'am, I want to tell one more poem about my dog.
Ma'am, I Riddhi. Ma'am, can I tell Risha?
Riddhi, but you have to open your camera, beta. You have to show what you're talking about.
Ma'am, I will talking about cars.
So, beta, you have to show us your car. You have to open your camera first. Oh, this little car. Show it to us. Bring it close to the camera. Okay. What do you have to say about it? Rishika, beta. Oh, sorry. Riddhi, beta, unmute yourself. We can't hear
Ma'am,
you.
can I tell Risha?
Wait, let Riddhi
This
finish.
This is partition in green in color. This is my birthday gift in my mother gave me my birthday. Mother say this your gift. Thank you.
Very nice. Very good. Such a lovely gift by your mother. Okay. Then next we have Pratyaksh
Ma'am,
Rathi
I
has
can-
not spoken today. Why Pratyaksh? Hmm? Pratyaksh Rathi?
Because I didn't have
Ma'am, I
nothing to show.
You don't have anything to show. You can also talk about your book. Is there any book at your home which you like a lot? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, there is nothing in your house that you love. I can't believe that. Maybe your
Ma'am,
pencil
I
box.
like one book, but it is not here. It is in Bareilly.
Oh, so you are somewhere out from Bareilly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your favorite thing in Bareilly? Let us know.
Ma'am, a story book and my room.
All right. So you can speak a few lines on your room. Tell us about your room.
My room is too lovely. There is one bed and there is one tent, two tables, my room, and my walls are colorful. And I say also I play on my I also watch TV. Thank
Very nice. Very good. So you simply love your room in your house. That's wonderful.
I want to tell a short poem about my dog.
All right. Rishika wants to tell about her third thing. Tell us, Rishika.
Go, go, catch the stick but takes it away. Go, Echo, go, try to run but catch the lead. It's just a short poem.
Ma'am, can I tell Unsha?
Okay, beta. Unsha, tell.
Good morning, everybody. Today I will tell you to my mama. My mama gave me this pencil pouch. This is very pretty pencil pouch. There is one Barbie, and this is pencil pouches, locked pencil pouch. I tell anything to my mama. My mama give anything to me. I love you, my dear mama. Thank you.
So what do you love? Your mama or your pencil box?
Ma'am, both.
Both. Okay, very nice. So this is the pencil box given by him. That's lovely.
You did not listen to my poem.
Yes, Rishika. Beta, actually, Unsha did not get turn. You got your turn twice. So I made her speak. Now you speak.
This is just a short poem about my dog.
Okay, tell.
Go, Echo, go, catch the stick but takes it away. Go, Echo, go, try to run but catch the lead.
But catch.
The lead.
Catch a lead. Okay. Very nice. So which dog do you have?
Her name is Echo. She is a husky and is 1 year old.
Okay, what breed it is?
She's a husky.
Husky.
She has one blue eye and one brown eye.
Really?
Yes.
So it's a Iberian Husky.
No,
Do you know
it's a husky. It's a husky.
Husky? I know it's Husky. The full name is Siberian Husky. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like a wolf. It very much resembles a wolf, isn't it, Rishika?
Yes, ma'am.
She looks like a wolf. I would like to send some picture I want to send some pictures to you.
Are you not scared?
Her.
Are you not scared of your dog Husky?
No, but people think I'm scared.
Yes?
She's also, yeah, I'm not scared of her, but other people think I am.
Okay, other people think that you are. All right. So it's a female husky and it is 1 year old.
Yes.
All right. Right now
She's
it's
actually, puppy.
okay. Now can I have somebody else who would like to speak something? Arsalan. Okay, Arsalan did not get his turn. Now everybody mute yourself. Let us listen to Arsalan.
Ma'am, my dog is of 2 years old.
This is my favorite color. I love my favorite color. I paint with my color.
Very nice. So you simply love your colors. Good. How much time do you spend drawing and painting,
Yes,
beta, Arsalan?
Ma'am, 30 minutes.
Okay, that's wonderful. Zoya Fatima. Zoya Fatima has not shown us anything.
Ma'am, can I tell on my car?
Beta, I'm talking to Zoya. Now let her speak.
Today I'm going to tell about my favorite game, that is Ludo.
Okay,
I play it with my mama.
very
This is
nice.
my favorite indoor game. And it is 6 players game.
Oh,
Thank
very
you.
nice. Very good. So it's a 6-player Ludo game. That's amazing. All right. Now we are just left with 1 minute. Anybody wants to speak? Okay, Manas Garg. Yes, Manas. Okay, wait, beta. First Manas and then Abhineet. Hurry up, Manas.
Ma'am, this is my toy gun, and ma'am, there is some balls.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, ma'am, there are some balls, and ma'am,
Hmm. You like this toy a lot. This is your favorite toy in your house. Huh?
yes, ma'am,
Good.
ma'am, this is my favorite toy, and there are some balls also.
And when you shoot your gun, these balls do not hurt also.
Yes, ma'am, ma'am, because ma'am, these balls are,
Very lightweight.
ma'am,
Okay, beta. Now let Abhineet speak. Abhineet, hurry up.
This is my remote. It is green and black in color. It is very powerful and
Very
it
nice.
has 2 hands and 2 legs, and he was fly also. These are flywheel.
Very good, beta.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. Lovely.
Ma'am,